In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize images in FireAlpaca. Now to do this, first you want to add your image you want to resize. So go to the top left, click on File, and you could go and open as a separate file over here, or the easiest way would be to just click on Open as a new layer, and then select your image from here. I'm going to pick an image of this dog over here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now when you do this, as you can see, it's going to open as a separate layer inside my current project, okay? Now to actually resize this, it's super simple. You want to click on the layer over here on the right to select it, and then you want to press Control and the T on your keyboard, so Control plus T, and as you can see, the transform image mode or the transform mode is going to be enabled. Now what you want to do here is simply you can move it around. As you can see, you can go towards the borders and you can resize it like this. You can resize it like this as well, so you can kind of shrink it and widen it or whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's essentially how to resize images in FireAlpaca. When you're done, you can just click on OK at the bottom and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.